How y'all doing today? It's your boy Jermaine from General G Recruiting, back with another video. Salute to y'all. Before we get things started, I want to give a big shout out to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully these videos will help you motivate y'all to start your own minoxidil beard journeys or continue on with the ones that y'all already have started. I also want to give a big shout out to all the OG subscribers that have been with me for the long haul. Ever before I even had a beard, you know what I'm saying? All the year one dudes, man. Shout out to y'all, man. I'm glad y'all continuing to support. And so for this video, I don't have really much to say, man. I am getting a lot of new subscribers. Also getting a lot of questions that I've answered in the past. So I think it's a good time to do another question and answer video. I do that every few months, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't expect y'all new subscribers to go back and look through all my videos. So if y'all have any comments or anything or any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll make a video later this week kind of going over the questions. And if y'all new to my question and answer videos, all you have to do is go to the description of the video and I put like a timestamp with each question. So if y'all don't want to watch the whole video, y'all can just kind of go to whichever question y'all want to hear and y'all get my response based off of my experiences of using minoxidil for like a year and a half. Also, I've been contemplating dropping a new video. One of y'all favorite videos is when I do like the celebrities that need minoxidil. I actually thought of a new idea. I got all the pictures and stuff. Instead of celebrities that need minoxidil, I got the celebrities that y'all secretly didn't know use minoxidil. And I don't know if I want to put that video out because if y'all thought that last one was crazy, this one could potentially, if it gets in the wrong hands, get my channel shut down. Cause if I make it, I'm gonna go off. But I don't know, man. Cause there's consequences to everything. And I don't, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to get in trouble for that video. So I haven't decided if I'm going to put it out. If I do put it out, it might not be on this channel or something like that. I don't know. What y'all think, man? Should I go hard on people like that? Because this one, I'm telling you, you thought the last one was crazy. This one is retarded. But yeah, that's basically it, man. I've been kind of lazy this week. I haven't looked up any research articles. I haven't even really responded to too many of y'all comments. So I'm going to get back to that, answer y'all questions. But like I said, if y'all got any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'm gonna do a question and answer video later this week. Before we get out of here, man, let's get a close up of my beard. All right, so we got this side right here, my good side. Got the mustache, got under, then we got the weak side. All right, that's it. So like I said, man, leave y'all comments down in the comment section and look out for that next video, man. I'll see y'all later.